Hi, I'm Gigi and welcome to Gigi's Creation. This video is in collaboration with Antonette from the Decorating Ant's Place, and it is co-hosted by Jenny and Diane from Deco Easy. I will write down their linked into my description box. Please go and check their channel because they do very amazing DIYs, and our host Antoinette is very good in tablescape. So please go and check their channel, guys. Okay, with that said, please go and start our project. So we are going to do these three DIYs. So our first project is this hanging flower vase, and we need this empty ribena, and we have to cut into a half. And there you go. I did the magic. And we need to cut this into half, guys. Okay, I use my scissor, but bear with me, guys, because this scissor is not very sharp, so I struggle a bit. That's the reason why I didn't show you when I removed the bottom part of it. And now I'm cutting the other parts of the bottle. And now it's done. And we have to cut this orange lining from one of my jacket, since the theme is to use orange for summer orange. Okay, so that's the reason why. And I didn't have any paint that is color in orange, so I just have to find something that I could use to make it orange or to have an orange theme. And I have to wrap this plastic with this orange cloth, and we have to stick it into supposed to have it into a wood, but since I don't have a wood also, so I went to my storeroom and tried to find cardboard box. So as you can see, I'm trying to wrap this with orange cloth. That is, it doesn't need to be perfect because it's gonna be underneath or at the back. So as long as it wrapped up and the outer part or the front part is nice. Okay, so almost done. I made two, and now this is what I'm talking about. I can you can use wood, but since I don't have a wood, and this is a rush project, guys, I didn't have time to go and look for wood or cut a wood, so I just went to my storeroom and I just cut some cardboard box and make it a rectangular shape, and I just have to wrap it with the twine. I braided some twine and stick it around the edge so it doesn't show that it doesn't look like a cardboard box. It instead looks like a wood. Okay, I just have to wrap around the whole edge of this rectangular cardboard box. And again, I made two of this as well. I cut two of this rectangular cardboard box. And I stick this coned flower vase that I made. Okay. And this is the outcome, guys, of our first project. I quite like it. I really love this. It's beautiful. I enjoyed it, really. I can't believe it. It's really beautiful. And our next project is this sunflower. Um, I don't know how they call this, guys, but normally people do it with the cross stitch. But what I did with this sunflower is a beads also, and I just glue them. It's very time consuming, so I didn't give you the whole process because it took me few days to do this. But anyway, my point is I just put some um, how do you call this, frame. I just framed this. Again, it's a DIY frame, so I just took some cardboard box from the leftover. I just cut it into this size of the sunflower canvas. I don't know how you call this. Anyway, whatever you call it, please comment down below, guys. But it's just I just try to frame it, so I just cut it another cardboard to hold it as a stand, or to make it sturdy, and then I have to stick it into a frame that also I found it in the storeroom. Guys, believe me, my storeroom is in a mess. I really need to, you know. But anyway, right? I'm just trying to, it's just like trying to cover a book. So I just stick it into all the edges. I use glue gun, of course. It's easy. Here we go. Last, last edge. This is a canvas, guys. What I did is uh, they have a pattern to make, and I use this sunflower pattern, and I just glued them into this canvas. It's very time consuming, but I enjoy doing it. You see, it's so beautiful. It's like a cross stitch, but it's not really. It's beads, and I just glue it in. Okay, now let's glue this into this black frame. I got this frame also from the storeroom. I got lots of junks in the storeroom, or rubbish. But anyway, I enjoy this, and I really, really love the outcome, guys. I am so pleased with all this project. I can't believe it. There you go. It's done. Okay. And this is the outcome of our sunflower project. Isn't it beautiful? I just love it. And now our next project, the last project, is this candle um, holder, or candle light, candle. It's a scented candle, yes. And now, like what I said, since our theme is orange, so we will wrap this candle to have it in orange. Okay. Again, the leftover of my um, lining of the jacket, I just cut it, and what I did is I have to sew it. I just basted the top part of this cloth, because I was afraid that if I have to glue it into the candle might melt and it doesn't stick. So instead, I use needle to sew this part. Okay, so we just have a quick uh, sewing, just basting it, so that where I cut it doesn't stick out, because I want it to make it neat. So instead, I have to sew it, or do the basting. Okay, it's almost done. It is very, very quick, all this project, guys, but to be honest, I really, really love it. I enjoy doing it, and the outcome is amazing. And now let's stick this together. Like what I said, we just make this as a decoration, since this is orange summer. So let's just glue this part, and that's it. You know, I was so scared with the glue gun now, because I got lots of burn. So I am a bit scared now. And now it's almost done. It's just hanging there, guys. And that's it. That's our candle, or scented candle. We can just stick this inside the candle holder. Or let's put some beads so that it's more elegant, because it's a bit boring. So I have these beads, or how do you call this again? I forgot the name. Um, what's the name of this? I called it beads. Pearl beads. Yes, that is it. So we just um, glue it around, and it seems so boring. So I decided to put another one, another layer. Okay. Yeah, I think it looks better with another layer. So let's put another layer. Sorry guys, it's not focused the video because it's kind of difficult. Sometimes I get carried out with my DIY and I'm not really looking if I'm in focus. And that's it. I done. And now let's put into the house of this candle. And let's accessorize it with some greenery so it doesn't look so boring. I like to, you know, experiment around. There you go. Done. And this is the outcome. Isn't it beautiful? And these are the wrap up of our project, guys. I hope you like it. And if you choose which one do you like the most with all the project that we done, that's the candle um, holder, and that's our um, sunflower. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, guys, and I hope you liked all my projects. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and I see you again next time. Thank you and stay safe. Bye bye.